Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading satellite office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, April the 4th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to first start off by taking a look to see how the indices close the session, are actually trading for the session, not close the session, but how they're trading for the session so far. The Dow Jones is up a little over 8 points. The CompQ is down a little over 4.5 points. The Russell 2000 is up a point. The S&P is up a point and a half. Taking a look at the commodity space here via the ETFs, crude oil via USO is down 65 cents. Gold, GLD is down $1. The gold miners, the GDX, are up 59 cents. JJC copper is up 34 cents. Silver, SLV is down 25 cents. We take a look at the currencies here. We have some positive action in UUP, some positive action in the FXC for the euro. The volatility index is up 45 cents as we are selling off a little bit today, so we do have some volatility coming into the markets. All right, if we take a look at the action here from the ES on the 50-minute chart, which is on your left-hand side, you can see we did hit a low overnight this morning around 1 o'clock or so. Actually, not around 1 o'clock, but like around 11 o'clock yesterday. Overnight, we were trading around 1546. Then we had some buyers come in at around 1 o'clock, push the ES all the way from a low of 1547 all the way to a high of 1555. And then around 7:30, we had the job challenger report came out this morning, and the number was actually better. But based on what I'm reading here, it says that we were at 55,356 announced layoffs for the prior report in February, but far above 30% above the 30% above the year ago total of 37,880. So therefore, it is worse than the same time we were at right now from last year. So therefore, that news caused the market to get some selling pressure right here. But then going to the open, they bought it right back up, slammed it right back down. So you can see there's a lot of volatility in the markets here for today's session. And in my opinion, as long as we hold below the opening price or so, below 1550 and go negative, we start holding below 1548, we can see some levels on the ES around 1546, 1542. We do have the sellers in control again today as the rallies are being shorted, which is the same thing that happened yesterday. And if you guys recall, like for the past 2 weeks, we had dip buyers coming in, and now we're starting to see those people sell the rallies here. So a little bit of change in sentiment, a little bit of change in action, what's going on in the market here. You want to make sure that you're taking note of that and adjusting your trading style. So in any case, ES, we're looking for some lower prices today if the trend continues to the downside. If we can hold the previous day's close, then it looks like today may just be a little chop session here going on where they're just going to be chopping it up between the pivot, which is 1553 or so, and the closing price. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see how that plays out going into the afternoon. For some of you guys out there that watch the ETFs, let's go and take a look at the SPY. SPY opened up at 155.42, rallied all the way to a high at 156.16. Pulled back into the previous day's close, and right now you can see we're trading in a range between the previous day's close around 155.26 and this 156 area. So range bound action today so far unless we break below 155.25 and hold. If we do that, the next target would be down towards yesterday's lows around 154.82. The triple Qs you can see here, let me make this chart big for you guys. The triple Qs you can see here, some sell side action, gapped up a bit, rallied up, hit a high of 68.60, broke below the previous day's lows. Triple Qs are showing some relative weakness today. Want to make sure you take note of that. And right now we're trying to break back above the previous day's lows right there. IWM's trading sideways. IWM is trading in a range between, I would say, 91.60 and 90.92, which is yesterday's lows. So from 130 yesterday to where we're trading at right now, IWM is trading sideways. Keep an eye on this one here, as this ETF may give you an opportunity for a little small pop-up if we break over 91.60 and hold. At the same time, if we do not move to the top side, we could continue just grinding sideways or start to make a move down towards yesterday's lows, folks. All right. As far as some stocks go today, you have Apple's down $5 from the open. IBM's down $2. Seeing some strength in the agriculture sector. CF is up $2.59. LinkedIn's up $1.40 from the open. Monsanto's up $1.30 from the open. Mosaic's up 52 cents from the open. So a lot of these agriculture stocks are on the top of my change from open list. You want to keep an eye on that sector. I like the way Monsanto's trading today. We actually were trading that in the room today. So that's about it, folks. A little quick market update for you guys intraday. Make sure you go to the website, wallstreettrading.com. Check out the information that we have on there. If you're interested in trading with our firm, contact me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com. We also just branched off with a new office down in Miami, so I will not be reporting live from the satellite office anymore, most likely starting next week. And if you're in the Miami area, you're more than welcome to check it out. We have a meetup group on Saturday down at the office, which I'll be doing a presentation on channel trading, a little quick presentation, and we'll have like a roundtable discussion with all the traders. And I'm gonna try to see if I can get that streamed live on the internet for some of you guys that are at remote locations and are not in the South Florida area. All right, folks, have a great one. I'll catch you guys after the close. Cheers.